Welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're doing another edition of What Is It? Those weird vegan foods that show up in your recipes that you have no idea what they are. Today we're talking about tempeh. Tempeh comes in this block, and what it is, it's a brick of partially cooked soybeans. They're fermented a little bit, not like a lot. It's not like yogurt. That's what helps hold together and make like this brick. Because it's fermented, it's really good for your gut. It gets all those good flora and all that kind of stuff that helps keep things moving. This has no cholesterol in it. It's got 18 grams of protein, so if you're trying to build muscle, this is a really good thing to add to your diet. This will soak up the flavors of anything you're cooking it in. So like tofu, if you're using a marinade or any kind of a sauce, this will help soak that up and it will taste like the sauce that you're using. It's got a meaty taste and texture. It's a really good sausage substitute. You can crumble it up, put it in a food processor. You can use it like ground beef. You can use it like taco meat, whatever you want to do. Most of the time I just cut it into cubes. I put it into stir fries. It has 28% of your daily value of fiber. It has 6% of your daily requirement of calcium, 10% iron. It can help to improve your cholesterol. It can help lower your blood pressure. It can protect your heart. It can improve insulin resistance. So if you're diabetic, this might be a really good thing to add to your diet. It can help reduce inflammation. If you're a woman, you need this stuff because it can help reduce hot flashes. It can also promote bone health. So there's a lot of very good benefits to eating tempeh. Of course, if you're allergic to soy, I'm sorry, but if you have tofu, if you're used to cooking with tofu, this is the same kind of thing, except it's a little more meatier flavor. It's just a more firmer type texture. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.